In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Navigate to the profile screen by tapping on your Bitmoji avatar in the top left corner. Once on the profile screen, tap on the Settings icon located at the top right corner. Just scroll down at the bottom until you find the Account Actions section. There, you need to tap on Delete Account within the Account Actions section. You'll be redirected to the Snapchat Accounts portal webpage in your browser. Enter your Snapchat username or email address as well as your password. And you have to follow the prompt to confirm your deletion of your account. Once you've completed these steps, your Snapchat account will be deactivated. Just please note that after deactivating your account, we'll permanently delete your account, along with all data associated with it, so make sure you're certain about the decision before proceeding. Or you can just ask contact support to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.